Now consider this graph. We can clearly see that A, C are local maximum points and B, D are local minimum points. Now how do we find whether a function is going to be increasing or decreasing? Now having known the critical points. Now these are the critical points I told you, right? A, B, C, D are called as turning points or critical points, and these are points of local minimum or maximum. Now you can observe to the left of A, how is the slope of the tangent to the curve? It is going to be positive, whereas the slope of the tangent to the right of A is going to be negative. So f dash of x, which is nothing but the slope of the tangent, is going to change its sign from being positive to negative around A. Therefore, we can say that A is the point of maximum, and the value of the function at the point A will give us the maximum value, local maximum value. Similarly, consider the point D. Now what happens? The tangent is going to be like this, so it is going to keep on decreasing, and then it will change its sign at the point D, and then it will start increasing. Therefore, it is going to decrease and then increase. Therefore, D will be a point of local minimum, and the value of the function at the point D is going to give us the local maximum value. Now this we will consolidate in what is called the first derivative test. Now what does it say? Now if C is a critical point and if f dash of x is greater than 0 for points very close and to the left of C. Say for example, consider this case, consider this point A, it is going to be greater than f dash of x, which is nothing but the slope of the tangent, is going to be greater than 0 for the points to the left of A, right of C. So this is the first derivative test to find the local maximum value. Now what is the same for local minimum? If C is and if f dash of x is less than 0 at points very close and to the left of C, and f dash of x is greater than 0 at points very close and to the right of C, we have C to be the local minimum point, and f of C will give us the local minimum value.